Hello my planner friends, today's video is another plan with me, and this time it is for the first week of, or I guess the first day of fall. Is for the autumn equinox for Pagan, and I have some stickers here from Wise Minerva Studio as well as the kit that I'm using this week, which is from the Patreon sticker club. Every month for $3 you get a sticker pack that you can sticker kit that you can download, and I am using this foil. It's like a hollow gold foil from SPC. I don't know what I got that with, and then I realized I didn't even plan or use my planner the whole week before I was filming this, but I don't know where that SPC like foil bundle came from, if it was in a pack of something or if it came with a mystery kit and I separated it. I have no idea. I don't even remember. So, but like I said, this kit, I love this heckin' kit. I have it on my Patreon, and I'm realizing that the washi down at the bottom washi is a little bit longer, so I don't know if I sized that for another planner that I had or something like that, but as long as it's longer, then you can just trim it down. So I have 3 sets. There's like a glitter washi and then 2 sets of bottom washi. One of them is a full 15 millimeter and the other ones are just a little bit shorter. So I put that down at the bottom, and I am, like I said, in love with this kit because it's just so like witchy and fall, and I don't know, Maven is like my favorite, I guess, holiday on the wheel of the year. I just love the winding down, the change, the cooler air, the pumpkin spice, the apple pie, like all that kind of stuff. Like it just really helps me to settle in for, I guess, the changing of seasons. I don't know. Let's still do it. It's still a little bit warm, but it's getting cooler and you can just, I don't know, you're not burning up from the heat of the summer. But anyway, love fall as everyone else does, you know. So yeah, using this kit. It's got date covers. I love this kit, or I love this style of kit because it's got a lot of things that you need. And I think though I have quite a few already scheduled out for Patreon. If you want a sneak peek, or like, not a sneak peek, but maybe like a sneak telling, I don't know, if you want me to reveal like the themes, there's the one for September is this one, this like witchy fall one. Then October is a baby themed one because the baby is due in October, so I thought I would just do a baby themed one. And then November, I believe, is sort of like Christmas themed, and I don't think I have December done yet. But the good thing about the Patreon, like the sticker club over on Patreon, is it's $3 a month. And if you join like today, like if you were to join my Patreon today and only pledge for a month, you can just go through all the stickers and all, like it's evolved over the years, like stickers, printables, whatnot. Right now I'm sticking to like A5 wide standard vertical style stickers because that's what I've been using. But there's a whole variety of stickers on there. $3 a month, you get a sticker kit. So if you just like subscribe for 1 month, you could just go through and download all the stickers. But I think it's really cool because you get a whole sticker kit for just $3 a month. I love making these things. So what I was going to get at before saying all of that is I think I'm going to go through and do a little bit of a redesign here because I don't think anybody, and I know that I don't use the icons that are in kits, really. I don't really use them. So I think I'm going to maybe do another redesign, maybe come December or January, with more boxes, because I realized I don't have enough boxes here as I'm going through. So I used to not, and now that I'm doing this kind of layout here, I feel like I'm all over the place. I'm so sorry for this voiceover, you all. But I don't usually do this layout, right? I usually do 1 row of glitter headers across the top and then kind of scatter my boxes, use my checklists and things like that. But I really wanted to use the underlays that came with this foil pack from SPC, so I thought I would break it up and actually use the glitter headers. When I don't use all of the glitter headers, I realize I am like short on a couple of boxes. And then also I don't use I try not to use the bigger like standard half boxes. They're just so big. So I'm thinking I'm just going to remove the traditional circle icons from the kit and then add in some more boxes there, and I'm going to leave the like more doodle icons on there because I kind of want to test those out. I kind of want to see if that's something that I want to keep on I don't know, on the page or not. So who knows? But yeah, so I'm just putting down glitter headers, putting down my stickers or whatnot. My two favorite boxes are the black cat and then the girl looking up at the tree. Like I love it. It's like my favorite. Those are my favorite boxes. And there's like a fall scene. I don't know. This is one of my favorite kits I've ever like curated the photos for. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm putting down all my glitter headers because I'm going to do checklists for every day in one box. And then I'm going to put down a bougie box or like an underlay on the other box to lay my to lay my, I don't know, box stickers down on, my appointment label type stickers down on. I don't even know what I'm saying. I feel like I'm just making stuff up. So yeah, so I'm going through and doing all that, laying down my headers and whatnot. I was going to say something and now I don't remember what I was going to say. I was trying to figure out the best way to scatter these checklist because I kept putting the red one like under the red header, which makes sense because I'm staggering them down and it's always going to be the red header there. So eventually I figure out where to put it. But yeah, so I don't know. I just really have been loving the standard vertical A5 wide type of planning. Every time I look back at like my old Happy Bullet Journal spreads, I'm like, oh, I love that. Then I look back at my like long vertical spreads and I'm like, oh, I really love that. And then I look at a lot of people who are doing more decorative stickers and those like colorful boxes, quote unquote, from like Happy Planner or whatever. And I'm like, oh, I really love how they're doing that. And they're using washi and they're using the decorative stickers, which if you go follow over on my Instagram, I have been doing a ton of little reels on how to make stickers with Canva because I've just been super inspired. And I'm hoping I can keep that up through having the baby because I've got a little tripod and I'm just trying to do little quick videos instead of having to, I guess, I don't know, have you guys listen to me ramble on YouTube. I don't know. I consume a lot of reels and a lot of TikToks, but I don't know how to make them because it just seems like it takes forever to set up and film. So if I'm going to take forever and set up and film, I'm actually going to enjoy myself and maybe do a plan with me or do like a design with me type of thing where I can actually give you guys educational content. And I just feel like I can't slam all that in a 15 to 90 second video. I don't know. I've been putting them in. Let me know if you watch some of my reels over on Instagram. Let me know if you want like full longer tutorials. I think I might do them anyway on my channel, like screen recordings, like this is how you make stickers with Canva and whatnot. Canva and Cricut Design Space or whatnot. So again, this voiceover is all over the place. Oh my gosh. But I have just been really liking the way this looks, and I thought I was looking back in one of my older spreads and I did this where I had a checkbox or a checklist and then a full box and then like an underlay all in the same column in my long vertical planner, and I was like, I really do like that. I wonder if it will translate well into my like A5 planner. And I do like this layout. Like I don't hate it, but it's also not my favorite. So I don't know if I'm going to do this like every week. I don't know. I love foil. So I love that I can use the bougie boxes, but I don't know if I love the whole header breaking up the sections, which I mean, I don't know what else you would do. That's like how it goes. I don't know. And I love I've seen a lot of people do where they are kind of going back to like our old school, like no white space kind of looking planning, where you have all of the full boxes on like in one row and not scattered across the spread, and then all like full box checklists in one row, and then at the bottom is all of your like appointment labels and your like memory keeping and stuff like that. And so I'm like, maybe I should do that, and that's like the full box checklist. I have one kit from Jessica Hart's that's like that, and I think I may try to do that for like when I use that kit. I don't know. You guys remember that when we used to do, I think I've talked about this before, like last year, I don't know, how we just have like so many stickers. I mean, there's still so many stickers, but I don't know. Planning has changed. I started planning probably like creative planning-ish, decorative planning, sticker planning, whatever you want to call it, maybe in like 2015, 2016. And it's just changed so much in that, like, what has this been, like 7 years or something? I don't even know. And I also want to say, I feel like I'm breathing and breathing deeply, inhaling sharply, and like running out of breath quicker, because I am like 37 weeks pregnant as I'm recording this voiceover. So I'm just filling in my sidebar, and I'm realizing now that I don't really have like a dinner checklist like I normally do in this kit either, so that may also be something that I add down the line. I don't know where I would add it on the like on the page, but I'm sure I could figure it out. So I have that, and then I'm going to go through with headers, obviously, and put those down. Like I said, this is a really cute, like, I don't know, it has like a mystical vibe about it, this like foil overlay pack or whatnot, bougie bundle, what are they even called? I don't even know, from SPC, because of the stars and the moons, and then also it's like a hollow gold. It's really, really pretty. And like I said, I don't know where it came from. I have a feeling it came in that bundle that SPC did where the candy, there was like the Candyland, what is that called? The Candyland kit, and there was like 4 kits. Oh, the Planner Keeper bundle that she had, which, did you see that now they are coming out with, or SPC is going to have like a whole memory planner type of thing, collaboration with Printpression. This was probably announced when you're seeing this video, probably announced like a couple of weeks ago. But I thought that was cool. I wish that there would be an option for like an A5 wide cover so I can put it on my, I wonder if you can remove the rings, because I know Kane does that a lot where you can remove the rings. I'm going to have to investigate after I finish doing this, because that color is so nice. And I really also like that there's options for you to put like pictures or journaling cards. I really like that aspect of it. And there's like a bunch of pockets. You could store a kit in the pockets that she was showing in her video. So I'm going to go investigate to see if you can remove the rings and if it will fit like an A5 wide cover, because it's really pretty. It's a really cute pink color. Maybe I will do that. I don't know when that's being released. Anyway, so now I want to go find it. But anyway, so have you seen that was the main question. Because I remember I don't know, ages ago, we had to trim down, we had to take the coils off of Erin Condren, and then we would put sticker paper over the coil holes and then punch 3 ring holes, and then they didn't make binders that were big enough. And there was lots of reviews on which binders you could put in which binders would fit your inserts or whatever. I have no idea what I'm doing on my phone right now in this planner spread. I have no clue. But yeah, you had to like punch it down, and then people were like, they would punch in their happy planners and stuff. It was a lot of, this was like Franken planning before Franken planning was a thing, I think. But anyway, so I'm just going to continue on to lay down my stickers. Right now I'm going to put down the stickers for Mabon, and I kind of get like, all these stickers are kind of a little bit too big. I don't know what I'm going to do, but Mabon is the autumn equinox. It's the first day of fall. It's on the September 22nd this year, and we were supposed to do some crafts and stuff this past weekend, according to when I'm like recording this video, but then some things came up and it didn't happen. So hopefully this next weekend we'll be able to do it. I'm trying to make a fall like banner or whatnot. I'm going to have us all paint some papers, and then I'm just going to cut some leaves out of it. So it's going to be just a really nice little time. That's what I try to do to work in celebrating the Sabbats and just like the changing of the seasons and different things like that with Marcus, to introduce him to that, is to just talk about the changing seasons, what different colors mean, why we'll talk about apples, like what we can think about during this time, decorating the house, cleaning the house, things like that. I got this Wheel of the Year thing for our family altar that you can, you just rotate it, and then it also has little cards that come with it to tell you more about each holiday. And so I use that to kind of say, oh, this is what, we're talking about. This is what this is about. This is why we celebrate this. Let's make a bunch of apple stuff. Let's go buy some apples. So that's how I usually try and do like family stuff that way. I will also probably set up our little like altar candle. It says I got a lot of stuff from Dollar Tree. That's another thing. Cheap stuff from Dollar Tree, like that you can use over and over again, obviously, but it doesn't have to be like super expensive, and you can use those things and they can kind of grow as your family grows, you know what I mean? So I will probably set that up and then use some bay leaves and some cinnamon for things that we're thankful for, things that we want to, bring in, thinking about abundance, those kind of things. So anyway, I am just continuing to lay down stickers, and you can see like sometimes I get kind of, I don't know, not like the stickers aren't in a good place because they aren't the right sizes. And that's the problem that I deal with, is I think that I need to get rid of the bigger half boxes because they're not, I don't know, they don't fit correctly. I can only get like 1 or 2 stickers in a box, or like in a day box on the page. I don't like that. I want to have like 3 stickers so I can put more stuff down in my like memory keeping or whatnot. And since that one of the 15 millimeter washies did not cover the glitter washi that I had at the bottom, I ended up using some of the leftover date covers, and then, or not date covers, glitter headers covers. I don't know, header stickers, header overlays, and then I put down a weekend banner and stuff like that. And then I used this little deco and just put it at the top. I was afraid I was going to run out because I wasn't spacing it like far enough apart, and so I get to the end here and I'm like, oh no, I might have not enough stickers, but then it starts looking okay as we get to the end, because I was trying to use lots of the moons and lots of the stars, and then I was like, oh no, I'm gonna run out. But I like putting deco at the top, and my kit, like the kits on the sticker club on Patreon, do not have like deco bit type of things because it's photo kits. I love photo kits. That's one reason why like Jessica Hart's is one of my favorite shops and one of my favorite subscriptions to get every month, because I love photo kits, and so I can't really add any deco, if that makes sense. But yeah, so I'm just gonna finish this up here. I think this is one of the last things that I put on the page here, is just this little deco, which I use all of. I don't know when I decide to put the weekend banner down because I don't have enough headers to go all the way across the other side of the page, but on the glitter washi down there. But I have quite a few things left over. Like I said, I have some edits that I think I'm going to do to this, what is this called? To this sticker kit. I'm going to probably take out one of the habit trackers. I'm going to try and add a dinner meal box. I am going to take out the icons and add more boxes there. And yeah, so I guess we'll just see how that goes. I'm going to take that script sticker page and put it in the pocket of my planner so that I can have it this week while I am going through and doing some stuff. Don't mind my cracked phone screen. I move it out of the way there. I have had that, what is that called? Screen protector on there for ages, and it's just completely broken. So there's the flip of my week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, sorry for rambling. If you did, please go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. I would love for you to stick around and see the other videos I have for you. Also, don't forget to check out the Patreon sticker club. Like I said, $3 a month, and you get a whole sticker kit that you can print and cut. So I will talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.